When Sir Jason Winters faced a death sentence,
It all came to an end when I had a swelling in my neck right here.
doctors told him that there was no hope. He refused to surrender. But Jason believed that nature held secrets that modern medicine had forgotten. He searched the world, from the deserts of the American Southwest to the mountains of Tibet, until he discovered a unique blend of herbs. This tea became his lifeline.
I drank this for 9 weeks, and at the end of 9 weeks, the cancer clinic could not find one thing wrong with me.
Balancing the body, supporting the immune system, and restoring his strength. It is a legacy of survival, perseverance, and faith in the wisdom of nature.
Prince Charles asked me, be a peacemaker.
For over 4 decades, countless people around the world have made it part of their daily lives, not only for wellness, but as a reminder that even in our darkest hour, there is always hope.